monster truck.
Metal monster truck, I think.
Yeah.
And it is also off-road, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. It has alloy body parts.
Okay. So this is your Christmas gift, I think.
Yeah.
So it will work in 2.4 GHz frequency. It has 4 wheel, and we'll unbox it and we'll say what are the things inside of it. You can see this is the box.
It is available in 2 colors.
Okay.
The blue one and the grey one or black.
And also I think this is red. So 3 colors maybe, because our model is red. So you can buy any color whatever you like, blue, black and red. So just 1 minute. So here you can see the price and other things is written over here. It is costing around 1790, but if you buy from Amazon it will cost around 1100 only. So I have already given the buying link in the description. You can click on the description and see the buying link, and you can see in the Amazon whether you can buy or not.
And there how you can put the batteries.
So you just make it reverse. No, reverse, yes. So here the information are given. So how to install the batteries, and then you need to recharge, and you see this is the I think remote, and for the remote you have to buy 2 AA size 1.5 volt batteries. It is written over here, it is not included, so you have to buy batteries for your remote. But for the car, the rechargeable battery already installed, so you have to install battery over here and need to recharge with your mobile charger. And battery meters needing attention, these are the things you can read out, and this is the charging, how you will do the charge. And you can see this is made in China again.
So it has 4 suspensions,
Okay.
off-road tires and double motor.
Okay.
There
So
was
double motor means for reverse there is a traction motor, for forward there is a traction motor. In both the axle there are motors, traction motor installed.
It will give the car very comfortable.
Okay, so if you drive the car, it will give you a comfortable journey.
If
Okay.
we have a big light.
Yes.
And there is a remote.
Wow, remote is looking really nice, and I think this is the steering.
Yeah. And this is accelerator.
Okay, so let's make it ready to have fun. Okay.
And remote is also looking like a car.
Yeah.
You have to put the batteries over here.
Okay.
You did a screw.
Okay.
So we have installed the battery
Yeah.
and we are closing the screw.
Okay.
And let's see the remote is working.
So there is a on-off switch. Yeah, you can see there is a on-off. Yes.
If it is not connected with the car, it will blink.
Okay.
If the car is on, it will not blink.
Okay.
It will blink only when you operate any system.
Okay. So let's make ready the car. Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's install the battery in the car
let's see.
and make it ready.
The cable.
Yeah, charging cable is over here, which will be used to recharge the battery by using your mobile charger.
To charge it, press this.
Okay,
and
so we'll
put this
demonstrate it
on.
how to charge. So we'll demonstrate it. Let's charge it first. Before installation, I think let's charge it so that the car can move.
No, it has a
immediately.
little bit battery, little bit charger.
Okay.
Let's see.
So let's install it, the battery.
Press this.
So this is the cable.
Press
You can
this.
see you have to connect both the cable. Yeah.
Press
by the
this.
connector. Yes. Okay.
And put this here.
Okay.
Close it.
Okay.
Do it like this.
Yeah.
And done.
So you have to put the cover.
Please give me thank you.
Yeah.
done.
Okay, let's connect it with your remote.
So here is the on-off switch.
Okay.
Put it on, and you can see there is a light.
Yeah, LED is glowing.
Yeah. And now it is not blinking.
Okay, that means it is connected.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, good. So let's have a fun and let's play with it.
So the charging cable is very long,
Yeah. Okay.
and let's
To
put,
connect
Yeah.
the battery with the socket.
yeah. Hold this and put the battery cable on and close this cable
Okay.
and put the switch on, and you see this LED indication. It means it is charging.
Yeah.
If this is off, it means the charge is done.
Okay.
If the red indication is off, so it means the charging is fully done.
Yeah.
You have to charge for at least 8 hours for the first 2 times.
Okay.
So let's charge this.
Yeah, sure.
So let's go first charge.
Yeah.
Let's see that roll over left or no. Yeah, it can do.
Okay.
So it is really off.
So let's demonstrate the function of the remote control.
Yeah.
How you are controlling the car.
Press this forward, push it backwards,
So again make it forward.
pull it forward, push it backwards.
Okay, and how you will use the steering?
If you turn it right, see, this is turning right,
Okay.
and the blower is also on.
Okay, so let's drive it by
And
using the
left,
steering. Okay, by drive it. Good. Well done, well done. Very good. So,
See how good it is working.
yeah, so you like this car?
Very much. And it is my
And
Christmas gift.
you can recommend to your friends?
To buy this,
Yes? Good.
I give it a 5-star.
Okay.
See, it can be over and keyboard stand.
So it can, yeah, you can see it's really a off-road car. Any obstruction it can cross very easily. You can see it. So you can drive it very roughly, no issue at all. It's looking good.
And the shocker is also working.
Okay.
See? And it is very high.
Okay, let's drive again. Drive. Again.
Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, press the like button and something will happen good to you.
Okay, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also please share this video with your friends,
Yeah?
and